Radical equation. Before I'm solving the radical equation, let me make some restriction. So let a is an element of a positive integer and a is a greater than 1. And the other restriction I would make x is an element of any integer. So now let me rewrite this equation here. So a in exponent a plus x, a plus square root of a plus x is equal with a in exponent a. And what I'm going here to do, I'm going to make the same base on the left and the right side the same base. To make this the left side, I'm writing in the way how it is. So I'm not making any changes. So a in exponent a plus x is equal, so the right side I'm going to make this a in exponent square. Okay, and this is in exponent a. So let me make one extra step here. So the square root of a in exponent a plus x is equal with the square root of a, so we can multiply those exponents is in 2a. But since now we have the same base, it means that the exponents are the same in both sides. So we can take this, so let me make some space before I'm going any further. So we can take the exponents because of this, this equation has the same base, it means that the exponents are the same. We have a plus, so I'm taking shortcut here, a plus x is equal with 2a. And now I'm going this one to square both sides because I want to isolate x in one side to solve for x. And if I am squaring both sides, so I'm going to square this way, and same thing I'm going in the other side. And here this square with the square goes away, and what remains a plus x is equal with 2a in a square is 4a square. And what I'm going now here to do, I'm going both sides to subtract by minus a. Then we are subtracting both sides by minus a, and the equation is going to get this form. A plus x is equal with 4a square minus a. And now I'm going both sides to square, and if I'm squaring both sides, what I am going, because we want to isolate x as I mentioned before, so I'm going here to square. This square with this square simplifies, and what remains here remains a plus x is equal with 4a square minus a in a square. And if I'm distributing here, I'm going to get this form. So let me write the left side in this form here, and if I'm distributing here, everything is 16a in a 4 is minus 8a cubic, and is a plus a square. Okay, and minus a both sides, and minus a in this side here, and finally x is equal with a 16a in a 4 minus 8a cubic plus a square, and is a minus a. So this is a general solution of this equation. And if we want, for example, to take an example and to prove it, this is right, we can take the previous example when we have, for example, 3. If we already have that solution. If a is equal with 3, and you plug in here in, you are going to get x is equal with 1086. So you can prove it this one here, and I did this. I solved this equation in previous video.